turners on the most delicate foods we could find to make sure that they flip and turn without making a mess. The OXO flexible turners have spring steel heads, making them perfect for flipping delicate foods like fish fillets or omelets while keeping these foods intact. Bakers will love using the smaller soft-handled turner for lifting cookies off the cookie sheet without breaking them. Our flexible stainless steel turners come in 2 convenient sizes. Here's a good tip. We used a stainless steel head for our flexible turner because it provides the thinnest possible surface to glide easily under food.
The Kitchen Premium Apple Corer, with its ergonomic, comfortable grip, includes stainless steel twin blades with sharp, serrated tips designed to smoothly core through any apple. These blades are made durable and are strong enough to withstand a tremendous amount of force, so you don't have to worry about any bending or breaking. Coring an apple has never been so easy. And there you have it, the Zulai Premium Apple Corer. Get yours today. The Zulai Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. Made of food-grade BPA-free silicone, this utensil rest won't slip or slide while you're cooking. Holds up to 4 spoons or spatulas, and the wide square base is designed to catch any drips. It also has a lip around the edges of the base to contain any larger messes or drops. This heat-resistant holder can be placed near the stove, countertop, or placed in any area that prep work or cooking is done. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.
Introducing Whisk Wiper Pro for stand mixers. First, push Whisk Wiper Pro down onto the whisk, taking a moment to line up the loops. Then, mount it on your stand mixer as you normally would, and whisk away. When removed, Whisk Wiper Pro catches strips and keeps your counter clean. When you're done, simply pull Whisk Wiper Pro off the whisk to avoid messy cleanups and save batter. The contours of Whisk Wiper Pro are even designed to perfectly clean your stand mixer's bowl. Whisk Wiper. Bake more, clean less.
Welcome to Zulai Kitchen. Today we're going to be talking about our pineapple core. I'm going to show you what we went through in development to make it the best pineapple core that you can buy for your kitchen. When you get it, it's going to come like this. So when you open it, this is what it's going to contain. It's going to come in 2 pieces like this. You have your handle at the top, and then you have your core right here. You have these 2 squeeze buttons right there. Want to line up these, put them on the core itself, and it'll just lock in place like that so it doesn't come off for you. And then you can see that it's got really sharp serrated blades. A lot of competitors actually are not sharp enough, and it makes it real difficult to core. Another thing that we did to make sure you get the best possible pineapple core is we triple welded this serrated part so that it doesn't fall off or break over time. When we first got it, literally, our product sourcing specialist, he banged it on the table and it fell off right away, this blade right here. So when we went back to the manufacturer, we're like, hey, we need to make sure we triple weld this so that it doesn't fall apart on our customers. So when we bang it like that, it's not going to break on you. This thing will last you a lifetime, and if you do have an issue, obviously we have a lifetime warranty, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, so let's get down to it and let's core a pineapple. So what you want to do, you want to grab your pineapple, you want to put it on its side like this, and we're going to just cut the top part of it so that we can get our core on it. So grab your knife, cut the top of it off like this. Move this out of the way. And then what you want to do is you want to line this up. You want this to be kind of as flat as possible. You want to make sure when you put this core on that this serrated part lines up perfectly over the core of the pineapple. Oh, also another thing, make sure that before you start, you kind of measure how far down you need to go, so you know about where you need to be when you're done coring. That way you're aware of how far you need to go. So let's get to this. Let's line this up here. So we're just gonna get started here. So as you can see, this is super easy to do. I'm using very little effort in doing this. Just keep turning it. Literally, I'm doing this with 2 fingers. It's that easy to do. You just keep going until you get to where you believe the bottom was when you made your little mark mentally on the core itself. And then when you're done, I'm about there, you just basically wiggle and pull at the same time. And when you pull it out, it's gonna look like this. Look at that. Beautiful pineapple. If you look inside right there, you can see that the core is still there, but we basically got so much pineapple out with very, very little effort. For those of you that know, doing this with a knife is not fun. It's not fun at all. This is the simplest way that you could do this. When you are done and you pulled it out like this, now you got to get it off the core. So the simple process of this is just taking off the handle. You just squeeze the 2 little things in, move that out of the way, and then all you do is you just flip it upside down. Probably have to bang it a little bit. Boom! Look at that. Delicious pineapple. You gotta love it. That was so simple. So that's how you core a pineapple. Super simple process. We have multiple colors for you guys. We just put out 6 for you. I think there's a total of 10 or 12 colors. And that's it. It's a super simple tool that literally does its job perfectly.
Introducing Simple Pretting Butter Knife Spreader 3-in-1, sold by Worldwide Influence. Beautifully cut cold butter with the stainless steel 3-in-1 butter knife. The knife works for right and left-handed people and has 3 functions. On one side, the butter has thin curls. On the top, it will produce thick curls. And on the other side is a serrated edge for easy cutting or spreading. All items are QC passed, and we offer a lifetime warranty, only if you purchase from Worldwide.
See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
Meet the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices. even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle, this little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel.